Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'll show you how to view Threads desktop app. Currently, the threads.net is the landing page where you can download this app. However, you can actually preview the Threads profile. So all you need to do is go right here at the search box and just add the profile name. So for example, here on the search box, threads.net slash, then put the profile name that you want to see. And from this profile, you will find all the Threads posts, or you can view the photos on this account. But if you want to interact with this account, or you just click this icon right here, all you need to do is just go right here on the QR code, then download this Threads app, and you can use all the features on this application. So that's how you basically view Threads desktop app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.